Yoga Sutras were not meant for Swami or renunciates. It was meant for people like us so that we can be unaffected and undisturbed by the ups and downs of our life. We have a wrong belief that external world or objects can give us peace, happiness, and bliss. Friends, peace is within your reach. Peace is within you. While it can take a lifetime to understand, absorb, and integrate the teachings of sutras, the core essence can be found in just 4 sutras. Patanjali lays out the aim of yoga and the reason to walk the path. So when you control over your mind, then you come to know yourself, the blissful state, your essential nature. And the fourth one we will discuss today is Vritti, Sarupyam, Itaratra. That means in case you can't control your mind, you will constantly identify yourself with the stress of the world, and that is the why you are suffering. Namaste friends, I am Ritesh, and today we will cover Yoga Sutra 1.4, that is Vritti, Sarupyam, Itaratra. That means in other states there is identification with the modifications of the mind. Let's first break up each word. What does that mean? Vrittis means fluctuations of the mind, thought pattern. Anything that you think are vrittis, good or bad, they are still the disturbance of your mind. Sa means similar. Rupyam means form. Sarupyam means similar form. Sarupyam, becoming one with the form. Identification of the object. Being one with the thought. In other words, we identify, we become with whatever we think. That is vrittis. That's the way we see ourselves is completely distorted. Itaratra, otherwise, or any time when the mind is not still. To sum this up, any time when the mind is not still, we take similar form of our thoughts. Consider when we become wrapped up in negative thoughts. Thoughts consume you. Your emotions take over a negative tone. The words and action follow. You become the physical manifestation of those thoughts. Likewise, when you become wrapped up in happiness, your emotions, words, and action follow. While you might think becoming wrapped up in happiness is a goal, happiness too is limited. It comes and goes. Instead of not attaching to your mind chatter, vrittis, you can effectively take a step back and observe them for what they really are, fluctuation. This practice can help you notice your thoughts and to notice when you are attaching to your thoughts and getting wrapped up in emotions, words and action. By becoming the seer or observing the patterns, you will become less affected by the day-to-day happenings in your life. You will be able to see them with more clarity. Yoga Sutra 1.4 tells us that when we are not in a state of yoga, the mind is attracted by external world. The root of all suffering. It lays out the consequences of not practicing yoga as defined by Yoga Sutra 1.2, that is Yogas Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Friends, when we lose our focus on a regular yoga practice, our mind goes to what it does best, making thoughts, plenty of them. That is such an automatic feature of our brain function that we don't even realize it. Meditation and yoga nidra would help you to become more aware. more mindfulness. Friends, you need to question yourself. What is creating the greatest unrest in your mind? Discover it, unravel it, understand it, and resolve to transform into wisdom. Take care. Keep smiling. Namaste.